Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, we will fix this Google search console issue if you're using Blogger for your blog, and most of blogger facing this alternative page with proper canonical tag. So we have a lot of queries all the times, as most queries people ask me about this error, how they can fix this error. Let me bring you to my blog here. This is my blog. So let me show you how many pages we are facing this error. You can see here alternative page, we have failed 30 pages. It already affect my 30 pages. 30 pages, almost all my post pages are being affected. Let me show you one thing here. So here, number first, we have the main website domain name. Let me bring you there. So you can see my website is opening with a main URL slash question icon am is equal 1. So the am tag here is refer for the mobile unit. For example, if someone visit from the mobile device to your website, they will look this URL look like this, something m is equal 1. They will see almost all the post, they will see same URL, but the URL and other posts are similar. There is no any different between two URLs. For example, if I visit this here, benefit of electric scooter, let me visit here. It's opening with the m is equal 1 here. It's opening with it. Okay, if we remove this one, it's still open same page. So it means we have two different pages, different content with the same content with the different URL. Okay, so let me show you one more thing here. Here almost all let me open the 50. Okay, let me show you here all my post here, digital marketing, SEO, cool names for YouTube channel, all my URL comes with am tag. Okay, this is why this happened. This happened because Google telling you have a different URL with same content, means same post has two URL. So Google already recognized one. For example, this, let me open this one. This is a post how to speed up blogger blog. Okay, this is the post URL. Okay, let me inspect this first. So we will see the issue. What is the issue? So here URL is not on Google because this URL, Google did not index this URL, because when we scroll down you will see here user declare canonical. Okay, because this URL we are trying to index, it already has alternative another URL which is already indexed. How I know this already indexed? This one, I will click on inspect and you will see it's already indexed. Google already indexed one page, one URL, but Google, what they are trying to say, Google saying that you have two different URL with same content, which is not allowed, or it call duplicate content or alternative content. Alternative means you have different two URL. So how we fix this? So without waste any time, let me bring you to my blogger. I will go to themes here. When I click on themes, I will customize. I will click on customize options here. I will edit HTML. Okay, now we will edit the HTML here. Before do this, we have to visit another website. Let me open that website here. This website is PHP for Tech. I will give link this website in the description. You can click that. You have to generate canonical tag generator. This is canonical tag generator. You have to generate this link starting from the link. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to choose you have to provide your website domain name here. That's your only work, and you have to click show results. When you click on show results, in the left side here you will see canonical tag generator. You don't need to copy this, just copy it from here. I highlight this. Okay, copy this one. Okay, copy this one. Make sure your website domain name is included here. Okay, so now next thing what we will do here, let me go back to my Blogger website here. You have to find the head section here. This is the you will see in the Blogger the heading tag, head tag. It will be somewhere in the upper sections here. If you did not find, just a simple press ctrl and F together to find. Okay, and you have to search head. When you click, it will highlight the head section. This is the head section. Okay, now what I will do here, I will give one space to down. For that, click on shift and enter together. First click shift and click enter. Okay, now I just copy that canonical tag here, this one. I will copy it, I will paste it here. You can use ctrl with V to paste this, or you can do is you can right click or you can paste it. Okay, simple here. It will be look like something this under that head. Okay, simply click on save. That's your work. If you are seeing any error, you can leave me comment. I will also teach you how to fix the error. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, so we have done our work. What we will do now, we will wait for 5 to 7 days, 5 to 10 days. You will see here, just you have to do one thing here. You have to go to alternative page. You have to click this, you have to click see detail, you have to click this section start new validation, because we just fix it and Google will validate it now. Okay, that's all your work is. It will be fixed very soon. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.